Ano impressions mo nung you were watching the show?
Hindi sila magaling.
And I just cannot help but wonder why, during their special premiere, I was like in the state of wetness.
Aray ko. In the cold Cinema 6 of
Yeah, the
Trinoma,
coldest cinema
there
of
is no
Trinoma.
reason for you to be wet.
And the reasons are here. This is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Kumaring Ucho Maldita.
Who's not wet? Hello. Hello.
And you are watching the Saturday episode of the TT show, the Ariana Talakin Showbiz Edition. And the reason I was like so freaking, wet is because Kat and Charlie at Donnie Pangilinan were like the bida
Roja.
of Roja. Diba? At talaga naman po, Lord, hindi ako emotionally prepared. Ang dami kasi nilang bakbakan na playing the Arnis, suntuk-suntukan, habulin mo ko, tadyak-tadyakan, na in all their half-naked glory. Oh my gosh. May Kulea sensibilities talaga. Malembang. Parang right there, right now, inside the theater, gusto ko hilahin yung dalawang binata. Healthy ka na. Magbembang na tayo.
Oh my God.
But more than anything, I would like to congratulate Director Lawrence Fajardo because ang Roja, lalaking-lalaki talaga ang direktor. Lalaking-lalaki ang serye. Mabilis, matapang, mapusok. Ang gagaling ng mga artista.
And may angas.
Diba? Yun nga, punong-puno ng angas, punong-puno ng pagka-ombre. Parang pag pinanood mo siya, tapos bakla ka, after 30 minutes, mas lalo kang magiging bading. Pero, manood ka lang mag-arnis.
Aray ko!
And I love the fact that they're giving so much importance, that the soap gives so much importance to friendship, diba? To family, to forgiveness,
Yeah.
and to fight for the people that you love. Ano impressions mo nung you were watching the show?
Hindi sila magaling.
Sobra ka sa kanila.
Ubod sila ng galing.
Ubod sila ng galing, ubod
Diba?
ng husay.
Ubod ng husay. Actually, nung pinapanood ko siya, I discovered na there is some sensitivity in the acting of of Kylie Chari and Donnie Pangilinan. I never thought they will be good enough or more than good enough to play their roles. Kasi 'di ba, initially parang friend sila tapos nagkaroon ng rift, 'di ba?
LQ.
Oo. 'Di ba?
Tapos sandali, hindi po siya BL. Malisyosa lang ako talaga. Every time na nagdidikita ng mga braso nila, nagpapatungan sila, nagsusuntukan sila, nilalagyan ko ng BL angle, pero action po ito. Wala pong BL.
At saka, they've proven na with this material, they can carry their own show.
Yes.
Diba?
And what else, also a wonderful discovery about the two boys is that sobra, there is really something between their ears. Matatalino.
Yeah.
Articulate. Ako, personal impression ko, the more you look at Donnie Pangilinan, the more he becomes good-looking. Diba? Tapos natutulala ka na lang talaga. Kasi pag sumasagot siya sa tanong mo, nakatingin talaga siya sa'yo sa mata. Pag nakatingin siya sa'yo gano'n sa mata, parang gusto ko na humanap ng shrink pagkatapos. Kasi parang feeling ko, ako lang yung universe niya. Mahal na mahal niya ako. Kaya gano'n siyang tumitik. Diba?
I also noticed that nung pina-interview sa atin, silang dalawa lang, di ba? Yung parang very few.
Parang very Hollywood junket.
Oo, di ba? I noticed yun. At saka, I didn't know they were intelligent and articulate enough to explain themselves in the Q&A.
Oo. And I also love Kyle Echari. He was very natural, very at ease. At kita-kita mo talaga na yung brotherhood na na-develop sa kanila ni Donnie.
Over 9 years.
Diba? Over 9 years. Pero mas lalong na-develop now that they're together. Because dati, Kinukwento nga ni Danny, narinig nilang kumanta, sumayaw, pero this is the first project that they are really together na magkalaban, magkaribal.
Sabi nga niya, we used to see each other sa mga events, sa mga ano, concerts, pero now is the time na we were really that close because, di ba, they were taping outside Manila, di ba?
They were in,
Oo, di ba? Parang sa Bicol, di ba? O kaya, at saka, syempre, ano yun, lock-in. So, every time, at saka ano sila, alam mo doon ko na-discover, they have a very intelligent technique. Kasi, when they are to make away in a scene, they don't see each other sa They don't see each other sa set. They refuse to see each other sa set.
Para talaga lang yung away totoo.
Oo, para mas maigting.
Yung away.
Sabi ko, wow.
At saka gusto talaga nila yung hampasan. Take one lahat.
Oo.
Todo na natin. Saktan na natin yung isa't isa. Para hindi tayo pa ulit-ulit.
Yeah.
Diba?
Iba sila. The work ethics is beyond.
And you see that, diba? During the fight scenes, when you watch it, talagang
intense.
Iba yung gigil.
Oo. There is a gripping
Oo.
there is a gripping reason for you to believe na they were just, they
At
are
parang
just
kita mo
fighting.
talaga na hindi siya parang super choreographed. Talagang narinig mo yung tunog, yung hampas, yung pagtalsik ng pawis, yung everything.
Parang wala nga choreography because
parang mano-mano talaga, di ba?
Parang there was not an exact moment na talagang parang makikita mo na may choreography. Parang it's not like a dance, di ba?
They made it appear na walang choreography, pero talagang they were all praised sa kanilang stunt coordinators, di ba?
Magaling.
And also they were like praising Tito Levi Ignacio.
Magaling kasi yun eh.
Tito Levi Ignacio is also yung parang teacher nila, di ba?
Yeah.
Silang dalawa lang yung nag-i-sparring.
Yeah. At saka maganda doon, they represent the boys of today na given that scenario na, 'di ba, they were under siege, 'di ba? Parang you can rely on them pala, parang ganon, 'di ba?
And it's wonderful that you actually get to have a very masculine kind of action drama na walang masyadong ratrata ng baril.
Yeah,
diba, from what we see so far, di ba?
Kasi very physical yung action scenes.
Kasi arnis-arnisan.
Talagang
At isa pa lang dapat kapuri-puri. Who's that guy? The son of Marilu Abaya?
Ay, oo!
Ay! Diyos ko. Lord! Pag napanood yung si Mark Abaya,
alam mo,
at yung intensity niya as kontrabida,
he reminded me of of the Lord of Acting.
Diba?
Sumabay. Kay sino yun?
John
Arcilio.
But, diba yung paggigil niya, yung pagpitik niya ng leeg na ganon, yung akala mo bait-baitan School of Acting ang diba? Yung there's real kabaliwan.
At saka very menacing. Yung paggigil na siya, yung mantetegi
for
siya.
For someone who's not so tall, diba? Parang
and for someone who's not who doesn't have yung malalaking projects before, di ba?
He used to have big projects in GMA7.
Talaga? Pero dito, iba siya.
Nagbibida kontrabida na siya. But this is like a truly colorful, three-dimensional character.
Diba? Iba siya.
Iba.
Parang
ayoko siyang makasalubong.
Hindi, parang
diba? Parang any moment.
Parang his performance will give you goosebumps. Di ba talagang maninindig ang balahibo sa ibang acting.
And it's also very refreshing to know how much love and respect Kyle Echari and Donnie Pangilinan are giving their TV mothers. Diba? Donnie Pangilinan loves Lorna so much. Kyle loves Janice so much. Bilang nanay niya. Diba? Ang sarap lang. Parang what I remember is that kung kwento ni Kyle at ni Donnie, naging pamilya talaga sila.
Yeah.
Diba? Doon sa buong show.
Kasi ang tagal nilang nandun, baka months sila dun
And I think canned na siya, di ba?
Yeah, canned na.
Tapos na. So, Roja is showing when?
November 21,
21,
and 22, and 24. Prime Video ba yun?
Hindi.
Netflix?
Netflix sila.
Netflix. Sa Netflix.
Sila. Mauna sila sa Netflix,
yeah,
diba?
Tapos 21 sa Netflix. Tapos 22 sa
After ang Probinsyano. Yung Ate Ang Probinsyano, I
Sa
think.
24 yun, eh.
Oo, yun pa.
Oo.
Sila ang papalit
Sa
sa
I
Sin
Want yata,
sila
eh.
ang papalit sa Sin of the Father.
Oo, silang papalit.
Hmm.
Iba.
So, please look forward to it and ang dami pa namin hindi nakikita na mga artista na gumaganap kasi talaga yung the first 3 episodes, 'di ba? Talagang sila ang center of the universe. And Direk Lawrence Fajardo, thank you for watching the Kitty Show. And thank you for like acknowledging us during the premiere. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Saturday episode of the TT Show. Toriana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.